Okay, guys, I got another challenge for you.
Okay.
What I want you to do is lift up that bowl and see what's underneath.
Okay, phone.
A phone.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna give you guys 5 minutes, and I want you to phone this number.
Okay. Easy. You know how to work this one?
Uh-huh. Okay. Wait, I need a...
You have to twist it. It's a good one.
No, Dad. I don't think this is okay.
How do you do put down a number?
9.
Okay, figure that out.
No, don't pick it up.
Oh, you restarting it?
Thanks, Jack.
Okay, he's restarting it.
9.
0, 0, 7.
Okay.
8. 8, 4.
Okay, guys.
What?
You guys trying to figure it out?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Is that anonymous?
okay, what do you hear?
Ringing?
Is it ringing?
No.
Or is it loud, like beep?
This one is broken.
Okay,
Wait.
so try to restart it.
How do you even use your number?
Yeah, but what are you doing?
Trying to call it.
Can I try this?
Hey, Jack, what are you doing?
I don't know.
You're twisting and then pushing it down?
Yeah,
All right. Why are you doing that?
I don't know.
I think I know how to do it, maybe. Like,
Is it ringing?
Hello, Bobs. Yeah, that's normal. I want to try.
wait.
Okay, let Peyton try. How do you think you do this, Peyton?
Twist it on the numbers. Like, it
Oh, I think Abby's got it. Okay, what are you doing, Abby?
Just pushing it.
Is it ringing? No? Okay, let's see what you're doing again.
I was doing,
Okay, you're pushing the
wait,
numbers.
no, that was the wrong one.
Okay, so do you have to restart it? Okay,
No.
I want to try.
so you're pushing the numbers down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so why does it have that little crank?
Maybe there's a ball there or something.
No?
Not try.
Okay, Peyton, you have an idea what to do? I think time is running out.
You already did it. You didn't do all of it. You did it.
Okay, so do you guys have to restart? You're restarting it? Okay, so do you guys even know what this is?
Yes. Yes. A phone.
A phone. This is the type of phones that we used to use. Okay, Jack, what are you doing?
I don't know. The same thing.
You're pushing the numbers down?
6.
Okay, so why do you think it cranks like this?
I don't know.
And why do you think that's there?
I don't know.
Wait.
All the numbers. Yeah, I don't know. You tried the most. I tried just once. For like 15. No, I think I know. I know. I know how to do it. I know how to do it.
Okay, that's what all
But Jess ruined it.
Okay, I know your 5 minutes is up for sure, but I like watching you guys do this.
Wait, no.
Okay, so what are you doing right now then, Abby?
Oh, I know how.
Okay, so you're twisting and then pushing it down?
Abby was just gonna copy me. I was gonna do the first thing that she wanted to do, and now I was gonna do that thing.
Okay, so Abby, what are you doing?
Just
Okay, so what are you doing? You're twisting it? Did it work?
I have an idea. I
Yeah.
think you have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all mark the numbers.
Do you know what else marks the numbers?
What?
The numbers beside the circles.
I don't know.
Okay, so if you guys want to dial 0, what you need to do is you got to put your finger in 0, and you got to twist it all the way around to where that little silver thing is. And then you let go. That's 0. Okay, so if you want to dial 9, what do you do? Yeah,
You bet 9 and then
perfect, yeah. There we go.
Can I try it? 0, 6, 6, 9. I did it wrong. I'm gonna start.
No, Abby, I'm gonna try. Abby,
Okay, hey guys.
Abby,
So one at a time.
please, Abby, you tried the most.
I only had one turn.
Wait,
Let's have Jack once.
See?
One more time. And then Abby can try, and then Peyton.
Zero.
Oh.
Okay, so Abby's turn now.
I get it. 0.
Okay, Abby, that's not how you do it. But you're close. Let's see if Peyton can give it a shot.
And then my turn.
Okay, let's see if Peyton can give it a shot.
Okay. I already resetted it. Okay. And then my turn again.
Okay, I gotta give you guys another clue.
What?
So,
You have to push the button down.
no, you gotta put your finger in, which you're doing, and you twist it all the way around to that little silver thing, and then you let go. But it doesn't work if the phone's hung up.
Ah.
So you gotta lift up the phone, and then you dial it. No, you gotta lift it up
I know.
and take it off.
I thought I'm doing.
Yeah,
Is there another clue?
that's how you do it. And you dial the number, uh-oh. So then you hang it up.
Nine.
Uh-oh.
And one more time, Abby, you have lots of turns.
Okay, let's have Abby give it a shot.
Yeah. Abby, I'm trying one more time, please. Oh,
Do you guys know what type of phone this is called?
Yes.
What?
A telephone, cell phone.
It's called a rotary phone.
Yeah.
Now, do you know why it's called a rotary phone?
Cottage. No, we don't. How we done?
No. Well, you're moving that thing in a circle, right?
yeah.
Six, nine.
Do I press them at all to call?
No, that's it. You did it. Good job, buddy.